Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. If you have been following me for a while now, you would know about my love for discovering new skincare brands. Skincare in India has come a long way in terms of effective products and formulation. Now we have products made with the best ingredients derived from various sources. Today let me introduce you to another promising Indian skincare brand called Skog Sweden. I've been using their products for the past few weeks, so now is the good time to talk to you about them. If you want to know more about this brand and my experience with their products, keep watching. Inspired by the Swedish way of life, Skog is a unisex beauty brand. The products are researched in Sweden and handmade in India. All the ingredients come from Sweden and various parts of the world. When I think of a country like Sweden, I can imagine the beautiful forest and mountains. Skog means forest, and this brand aims to bring the essence of Sweden to India through their products. Let me show you the products I've been using from this brand. I have three products from their skincare range. The Clarifying and Brightening Serum, Cloudberry Sea Lettuce Cream, and Under Eye Repair Oil. The packaging of the product is simple and neat. I like how the inside product bottle is shown on the outer carton. The ingredients and other information also is mentioned here. By the way, all Skog products are vegan and cruelty free. On the inside, the jars and bottles are of the glass and reddish brown in color with black lids. I really like the minimalist aesthetic of these products that still manages to look luxurious. I chose these products as I am very particular about my creams, serums and eye creams. I feel through these products I can best judge a brand. Let me show you how I use these products one by one in my nighttime skincare routine. After cleansing my face, I am going to use the Skog Clarifying and Brightening Serum, which is a combination of various cold pressed oils. Apart from these repairing and moisturizing oils, it contains Swedish elderflower and sea buckthorn that clarifies the skin, keeping it healthy and clear. The richness of natural vitamin C present evens out the skin tone, giving you a healthy, radiant glow. I like to take a few drops to cover my entire face and neck and give myself a gentle massage, as you will see further in the video. The texture is oily, but when I apply it to my skin and press it with my fingers, it begins to sink into my pores and gets absorbed in a few seconds. I dab it with my fingers and press it into the skin. The brand suggests giving a patch test before using, but I never felt any irritation after applying it. I was happily surprised to see how quickly it gets absorbed into the skin and feels non-greasy. It soothes and relaxes because it's really lightweight and a little goes a long way. With a serum like this, I love to massage my face using a facial tool. It helps to improve circulation, relax my facial muscles, and in a way also helps better absorption of the product. I'm using a jade gua sha, but you can also go for a facial roller, Kahn's wand or any tool of your choice. My skin feels hydrated but non-greasy, as you can see. I've been using these products for the past 15 days and I wake up with hydrated, smooth skin with absolutely no breakout or clogged pores. You should never ignore your eyes while doing your skincare. I've been using Skog Under Eye Repair Oil for 15-20 days. It comes in a sleek 10 ml glass bottle. It has a metallic roll-on applicator that makes it extra cooling on the skin. Roll-on applicators are great for soothing and depuffing the under eyes. As someone who has under eye bags, this is really handy for me. The formula of the product surprised me. Usually I tend to stay away from oils for under eyes. It can feel heavy and cause more puffiness. But this one is different. Even though it's oil, it feels like a lightweight cream when you first apply it. The consistency is super light and blends easily. After applying directly through the roll-on, I use the warmth of my fingers to spread it around. It's not heavy at all. In fact, it absorbs super quickly. It does have scent that is natural of the different oils. I find it very soothing and not overwhelming at all. I love the formulation of this under eye oil, especially since it helps with puffiness without feeling heavy like most under eye oils. If you have basic discoloration and fine line screw feet, this under eye oil does work. But the process is slow, so give it a minimum of 1 month of regular use. Even in terms of puffiness, it didn't work instantly. It took a week and a half to see some difference. So if you are someone who spends a lot of time in front of the screen and have tired eyes, then I highly recommend this product. Now it's time to do the final step, which means moisturizer. The facial oil has sunk into my skin and now I'm applying Skog, Cloudberry and Sea Lettuce Hydrating Cream to lock the moisture. It contains aloe vera extract, shea butter, argan oil, cloudberry oil, sea lettuce extract and geranium oil. The texture is creamy and smooth. The formula is very lightweight. This product will be amazing for all skin types because the consistency is somewhere in between gel creams and thick ones. I need just a little amount to cover my whole face and neck. It gets absorbed into the skin effortlessly in just a few strokes. Cloudberry is a mega dose of vitamin C and vitamin E and also contains essential omega fatty acids. It moisturizes the skin instantly very well. Sea lettuce on the other hand is high in magnesium and mineral levels which slows down the water evaporation rate of the skin and allows deep skin moisturization and hydration. They promote the overall health of the skin by boosting elasticity and hydration. I can see an instant radiance on my skin after applying it. In combination with the serum, it keeps my skin plump and nourished throughout the night. And I'm sure you will love these products as much as I do. Don't forget to use my 10% discount code when you purchase something from the Skog website. So that was all about my experience with the products from Skog Sweden. I loved all the products. It seems like these three were curated to work together. Of course, you can buy them separately for their individual benefits as well. They are suitable for all skin types. It's really amazing to know that my skincare products contain such exotic ingredients and they are easily available to us. If you have any question regarding these products, let me know in the comment. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more beauty videos. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.